Alright, second try of rebuilding the waterfall. So the upper basin where the spillway is, I've got it level. I've got all the joints sealed. And then the upper basin I have sealed, although I think it's just going to get really dirty. And then the landing is ready to go. And the basin is built out, framed, and lined. I should say underlayment. Now I'm going to lay the liner. And then eventually I think I'm going to paint it gray. This is Flex Seal. And Flex Seal liquid only allows Flex Seal liquid to go on top. It's not painted, not paintable. So it might be gray or black, but right now it's white.